'Tis the season for savings, and lately there have been not that many good deals on laptops, but I'll tell you what, I must have been extra good this year because I found a hell of a deal at Best Buy. That's right, I got an HP Victus gaming laptop for $549. That's a savings of $350 compared to its normal price, and you chumps can't get it at that price anymore. But if you're still interested in getting this laptop or want to know what the specs are, I put a link down in the description. Feel free to go check it out. But other than to brag about my good fortune, we're gonna open this thing up and see what this thing can do. Because I bought this for the singular purpose of gaming. I just want to know if this thing can play the games I want it to play. So let's open this fucker up. I'm excited. Would you look at that? Get this fucking plastic off. And here you can see this thing is basically a solid blue. And when you open it up, you've got the black bezel along the screen, along with more blue on the bottom. I don't know why they went with that design, but whatever, I don't care as long as it works. Also inside the box comes the power adapter and what I believe is an instruction manual. Your setup instructions. So Manuel, you go back in the box. I know how to set up a laptop. But will this do what I want it to do? We're gonna have to find out. I was in the course of setting everything up when I realized that the power brick is a whopping 200 watts. Oh my God. And thank you iPhone for not being able to zoom in on that. All right, we have this thing hooked up to this other computer and the TV like it's in the ICU. And it took me forever to figure out where the power button was, but here we go. Let's see if this thing powers up. Victus! So naturally we have to go through the Windows 11 setup process, and oh my God, I don't want to do this. This is so annoying. No, I don't want you to have all my information so you can send me all of these useless emails. Why do I have to do all this? Why can't I just be ready out of the box? All right, we made it to the desktop, and of course the very first thing that I'm going to do is install Google Chrome. And Microsoft Edge, of course, wants me to know that Microsoft Edge is better than Google Chrome, which is a complete lie. And now that we got Google Chrome installed, let's install Steam. Now that we have Steam, I can go to the library of games that I have, and we can just install a few things and see how they run. And the very first game I'm going to install is the one that I really want to try on this laptop first, and that's Shenmue 3. And man, I know this game sucks, but I really want to test this one first. And yeah, the game actually looks like it's gonna be okay. It plays, and that's all I can really hope for out of this game. I'm not expecting enjoyment. All right, let's play a good game. I've installed Shovel Knight. Let's try that one. And yeah, I suck horribly at this, but yeah, it plays. It plays really well. And just for kicks, I've installed Jesus Christ RPG on here, and yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but it plays. It does things. So for $549, I'm gonna say it was worth it because, I mean, it does only come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I could easily upgrade that myself for an easy $25. I'm gonna say go for it. If you can get a good deal on this somewhere, definitely buy this. And that concludes this unboxing. And this thing is gonna get used and abused, I promise you, because if you can't already tell, I am excited about this. This thing is gonna be going places, and I'm gonna definitely abuse the living crap out of it. This is Johnny Balls signing off. Be sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment telling me how much this video has changed your life, because I know it has. All my videos change your life.